crazy storms going through, and we're getting ready to take the Jeep over just across the state line into Pennsylvania, where we're dropping it off to have the base plate put on, and then we'll go back and pick it up either later tonight or tomorrow morning.
These go in, quarter turn, clip. You can take this off of here too, this cable, so it's not, you know, hanging there.
Okay.
It's gonna follow you like a trailer.
Is it?
As long as everything's hooked up correctly, it's gonna follow you just like you're pulling a trailer. Okay. Now, to back up with them, you got to go a short distance from like here to that trailer.
Don't do it.
You can.
Oh.
But if you're like in traffic or something, spend the time to disconnect it, spread it apart. Hanging up on the Jeep. Now you see these, they say up.
Yeah.
They want them out and pointed up.
Gotcha.
And everything's new, so it's going to be tight.
Tight's good though, right?
Yeah.
Now is that base plate just bolted on to the frame?
It's bolted to the frame, plus it's got safety cables that go around the frame.
So it's pretty on there.
Anything ever comes loose, yeah.
Gotcha.
See now, right now these are unlocked.
Yep.
So what you want to do now is you want to, I'm sure she's going to be helping you. You want to get in the Jeep and you want to back it up. So he's a little bit off, so I'd say you might want to turn the wheel down the hill. And you'll hear them lock out, and then these will be tight. You may have to bump, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Now if they don't both lock though, they would lock going forward,
Yeah.
right?
You're good. Yeah, so these are both locked right now. And if they don't lock, as you go forwards, it's gonna lock.
Okay.
So, and then to unlock them, you just push them down.
Right. Okay, but we want them, we're towing locked.
Locked for sure, yes.
Okay. So these just snap down.
Yep. Watch your thumb, because they will bite you, them spring clips. You know,
Okay.
you got your thumb under there, it's gonna hurt. You know, because they got some tension on them.
He's done that a few times.
Yeah.
He's been bitten is what he said.
So just like a trailer, they want the cables crossed. So that'll go your side.
So right there?
Yep.
Okay.
Everybody look away, look away.
Once you get it hooked up. Put this one right there. So just like a trailer, make sure you clip it to the hitch. You want the seat not pressing against it, just up to it, like that.
Okay.
Plug your 12 volts in.
That's handy.
And every time you do this, hit the power button.
Okay.
You're going to flashing blue and red.
Okay.
Hit setup.
Yeah.
It's going to jog the unit, set everything up the way it should be. That's where it wants to be. Now you can always just give it a click, see what I mean?
Okay.
But that's about right where it needs to be. If it wasn't set, it would be flashing blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green.
Okay. Now is there something in here that attaches from that breakaway wire?
Yep. I hide it under the floor mat.
Okay.
Plug that in right there.
Gotcha.
Yep, we always tuck them up under the onto the floor, and then they're not in your way. You're not going to step on them.
We're going to put the monitor in the coach, and we're going to test this, make sure everything's correct.
Sounds good.
That works as a pendulum. So as you're going down and you apply the motorhome brakes, the pendulum will turn in that box. Jake, you want to go back there? I'm going to hit the emergency. If you get into a situation where you have to use the Jeep for brakes, as soon as he gets back there, look at the box. Hit this button right here.
Yep.
That's like an emergency brake. So if you need something fails here, you need to slow down, you can use
the
Jeep.
And the brake lights still work on that.
Absolutely.
Okay.
They're rolling.
You're good.
You're good.
Nobody heard anything go come. A nightmare that I left that emergency brake on, but I know I didn't.
Now I want you to take it off.
That's OCD there.
A little OCD here. Check the stove right away. All right, is that it then?
Yeah, everything. Listen, if you have any questions when you get to where you're going, ring the phone and I'll walk you through.
All right, we are towing for the first time. Flat towing our 24 Jeep Wrangler. It's a JL, obviously. It's a new one. And you can see it well. We got our blue ox, we got our Patriot braking system. And Dee, if you'll put the camera up there, I'll hit the brakes here, and that will engage the brakes in the car. I'll probably have to sensitize that a little bit more. But usually when we're in our area, it's not as hilly as this either.
No.
But it's towing right along. Everything looks good. At the first area I can pull over, I'll probably pull over and check everything because I'm paranoid. Right?
Yes.
Thank you. I feel like Dee is always doing the filming over there, so I'm just going to ask her some questions. So, what do you think of the new Jeep?
I love the new Jeep. I think it's going to be perfect for us when we're traveling.
Where is it? Oh, there it is, right there. So, how do you feel about towing the new Jeep?
Well, I personally haven't driven the RV yet to tow it.